Michael, travel is going to be a little turbulent tomorrow, especially for those semi-trucks and high-profile vehicles. Right now, though, the weather's fairly tranquil. There are a few light rain showers in a very mild field. However, we have some new data on the strong wind threat. That's going to be moving in between 8 p.m. and midnight, and gusts over 50 miles an hour remain possible through tomorrow. Next up, those strong winds and the potential for a flash freeze tonight. There are high wind warnings that have been issued by our Cleveland NWS and wind advisories to the west of I-75. That high wind warning includes both Lucas and Wood counties. So where is this cold front that's going to bring us the wind? It is currently racing into western Indiana. We are seeing some severe weather alerts extending from Missouri and southern Illinois all the way up towards about Lafayette and South Bend. Although there is going to be a gradual weakening trend of this, it is a little bit concerning to see this tornado watch in parts of western Indiana. Now, if you're looking at that wondering, will we have any tornado threat here at home? It is exceedingly unlikely. You'll notice this cuts off right around the I-69 corridor near Fort Wayne, and there is going to be a waning trend on these thunderstorms. There is a slight risk of severe weather extending through about Fort Wayne, and those severe storms are going to be more likely in western Indiana, with only a marginal risk for us here at home as the threat transitions to straight line winds. So when are these storms going to be here? By about 8 o'clock p.m., gusty showers are going to be developing and moving into northwest Ohio, and those 50-mile-an-hour winds will be possible. And it's really 8 p.m. through midnight that we will see that rain threat. After midnight, yes, it'll be windy, but we won't see any thunderstorms or rain. Now, tomorrow, we could actually see a few bursts of snow showers on the back end of this. As temperatures plummet, there is the chance that the snow also impacts travel in addition to just the wind. So here's what that line looks like a little closer to home. You'll notice much weaker in nature than it is currently in western Indiana. That's 8 p.m. 10 p.m. It's going to be right along the I-75 corridor. You're going to be feeling those winds ramping up, and then midnight, Lakeshore County is going to be seeing that rain and perhaps brief rumbles of thunder. Now, check out the change in the feels like. This is what we call a flash freeze. There is going to be a 60-degree drop in how it feels, going from those 60s to single-digit wind chills early Monday morning. Now, one of the other impacts of the flash freeze is the potential for black ice. So there is the possibility that your driveway or sidewalk does have a little bit of ice on it tomorrow morning, or perhaps if you park the car outside, you may need the scraper, and there could be some travel impacts, especially on those untreated road surfaces, bridges, and overpasses. So for the rest of this evening, wind gusts around 30 to 40 miles an hour. The worst of the wind is actually not going to be with that line of thunderstorms, but it's just going to be tomorrow during the day where we could see 50+ mile-per-hour wind gusts. Snow showers also could leave behind some minor accumulations, temperatures in the 30s but feeling colder, and there could be some minor damage due to those winds and potentially even a couple of power outages. So please use caution traveling tomorrow with that strong wind. It's going to be a chilly day Tuesday into New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Could see some light snow showers, but overall accumulations look pretty minimal with that next storm system. It is going to be a sharply colder to the start to the new year. New Year's Day, a 30% snow chance, 23 degrees. We do gradually rebound to the low 30s into next weekend, but overall a much colder start to 2026.